Purchasing and installing new equipment to keep pace with upgrades can be time-consuming and costly. At the same time, the modern network infrastructure is critical to business success in the age of digital transformation. Your network has the power to give you a competitive edge. What would you do with it if budget wasn't holding you back from giving it the upgrade it deserves? Network infrastructure as a service from Extreme Networks gives you the flexibility you need to make your network a priority. Whether you have your sights set on a predictable budget for your infrastructure or you'd prefer opex over capex, Network Infrastructure as a Service offers a flexible financial model and provides the network performance your company needs to be competitive. Curious about the potential benefits of Network Infrastructure as a Service for your organization? Predictable, flexible monthly budget, planning and implementation, support, professional services, premier and maintenance services, managed services. This as-a-service model is designed to deliver the cutting-edge technology, services, and support you need on a consistent budget through a stress-free opex model. Gain the network performance that makes you agile and competitive to meet your IT and business objectives. To learn more about Extreme's Network Infrastructure as a Service solution, please visit extremenetworks.com/services.